Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by cutting power and removing trim and fixtures so you can work flat against the wall. Once panels are exposed, peel a 4x4 test patch to see if old paper comes off with water or needs solvent. This tells you the adhesive type. Make sure to clean the substrate with a 50/50 water and vinegar solution and dry it. Dust or oil prevents new glue from bonding. Now you can decide whether to strip fully or apply prep primer and move to repair. Once the surface is clean, fill any holes or seams with a flexible RV-grade filler and sand smooth so the pattern won't telegraph. After sanding, apply a bonding primer where there was glossy paint or patch drywall so the adhesive grabs consistently. Measure your drops precisely and cut strips allowing 1/2 inch extra at top and bottom. This extra gives margin for trimming. Make sure patterns align across strips and label each strip in sequence before pasting or hanging. You apply adhesive per manufacturer instructions, brush or roller for paste, or use premixed adhesive for vinyl, then book the paste on the paper if required so it activates. Hang the top, align pattern, and smooth downward with a squeegee, rolling seams with a seam roller and wiping excess glue promptly. Trim edges with a sharp blade and reinstall trim. Let the wall cure 24 to 48 hours. If bubbles or peeling appear, lift the affected area. Reapply adhesive or heat and smooth.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.